Welcome back to Spy Garage.
The idea of a 2026 Corvette Hyper Luxury Motorhome offers an intriguing contrast. The legendary American sports car heritage combined with the roomy comfort and custom features of an upscale recreational vehicle. The conceptual combination raises the possibility of a genuinely unique automobile creation, even if Corvette manufacturer Chevrolet has not disclosed any plans for such a vehicle. The sleek and dynamic lines of the Corvette would probably serve as inspiration for the external design of this imagined motorhome. Perhaps through a streamlined profile and thoughtfully sculpted surfaces, the motorhome's larger form could gently include aerodynamic concepts, which are a trademark of sports cars. A visually arresting and readily identifiable vehicle might be produced by modifying iconic Corvette design components, such as unique lighting signatures and a purposeful posture. Custom paint selections and high-end finishes would add to its opulent appeal. An extraordinary degree of sophistication and technology integration would be required for the interior of a hyper-luxury motorhome with the Corvette name. Anticipate the widespread use of premium materials that mimic the Corvette's performance-oriented appearance, such as soft leathers, polished metals, and possibly even carbon fiber accents. The design would probably be carefully thought out to optimize comfort and space, possibly including a sumptuous sleeping area, a modern kitchenette, a well-appointed sitting area, and a chic bathroom. Slick networking, cutting-edge infotainment systems, and maybe even features evoking the driver-focused cockpit of a Corvette may be included. Given the Corvette name, there would probably be some performance or driving enjoyment added in addition to the standard motorhome experience. The chassis may be designed for a more responsive and upscale ride, perhaps with the use of cutting-edge suspension technologies. Even if total sports car agility would not be feasible, it would be reasonable to anticipate a strong and effective engine that would allow for smooth sailing and the ability to travel great distances. The term hyper-luxury alludes to a degree of extravagance that goes above what is considered normal for RVs. High-end appliances, top-tier entertainment systems, customization possibilities, and possibly even special features made for the discriminating owner could all be examples of this. The whole atmosphere would seek to establish a mobile haven of elegance and comfort. In conclusion, despite being solely a conceptual exercise, the 2026 Corvette Hyper Luxury Motorhome piques interest with its fusion of the best of mobile luxury with the history of American sports cars. It imagines a car that would draw attention for its unique features and outstanding comfort in addition to its eye-catching appearance. Such a development would be a daring and unheard-of move, appealing to individuals seeking the pinnacle of recreational vehicle luxury combined with performance-inspired styling.